Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 18th of August afternoon analysis. On this video, we will just cover some news first and then we will just go ahead with our charts. Last night, we have just received FOMC numbers and then that was really as expected because they just expressed their actually not expressed on that night, but we have seen the previous meeting. They have spoken about in the coming months, in the coming meetings, we will see more rate hikes than stop. So the market is just seeing that risk are with us, and rising interest rate rumors are just keeping the markets on decline. All right, we are starting with NASDAQ. As you can see here, NASDAQ is just tested 13,645 level, and then from that level it has been sold, and right now it's trying to make this one, but there was a trend line on here, and in my opinion, if it cannot just get into this trend line again, it will definitely be in this trading channel for a few days, and then it will just try this level and then just wait for the next at the end of this August. It will just wait for the next data release, big one data release. It will be critical, but if we just get into this line, and then we can just see rising again and testing higher levels. But right now it's just it seems that it will be in this line for some time, just peaking on this area. Let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us, GAN Markets.
All right, our second chart is gold. As you can see here, gold is on decline. It has tested 1800 levels, and then from that level it's just on decline because the rising interest rate of the central banks are just making these central bank bonds more precious against precious metals. They are just giving more interest rates to attract a lot of investors because in financial tightening, government need more money because the Federal Reserve banks are not providing that liquidity. In US, in ECB, they are just talking about less money printing. In that one, they need to get money from the investor, so the investor are just preferring these government bonds instead of gold. That's why we see decline right now. There are a risk, we have just stated that one. There are risk of China and Taiwan. If that risk just disappear, and then if we see just cool down in Ukraine and Russia-Ukraine stuff, then definitely 1600 levels in gold possible. It will just decline because we are just seeing really high level of interest rates, and then just giving a lot of government bonds are just competing each other to get money. That's what's happening in the market right now. Let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is natural gas. As you can see here, natural gas prices are rocketing, and it's just rising because the European countries just cannot get enough gas from Russian supply Gazprom, so it's rising. So the question is, these people, so these countries are just getting that one. Normally in just winter time, just pre-winter time, we see rising gas prices. This rally, is that rally or another rally will become? That's the question. So if we just see some plateau in the prices, we can just assume in the plateau in September. That's important thing. We will see that is the September rally just 1 month before. But if it just start another rally, so just get ready for $15 natural gas. That's massive price because in Europe there are a lot of demand for US natural gas. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and then we will cover more charts with you. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.